When content creators need to turn long videos into punchy short-form clips, the right tool can save hours of editing and boost output dramatically. OpusClip and Peech AI both aim to make that process simpler and faster, but they take somewhat different paths to get there. Let's first look at what each brings to the table. OpusClip is built specifically for repurposing longer videos into social-ready formats like YouTube Shorts. It uploads your full-length footage, automatically identifies high-engagement segments, trims them, applies captions, reframes to vertical format, and adds optional branding, B-roll or animated text. The focus is on speed and volume. Upload, let the AI pick the highlights, then export. For creators who publish often and want to get lots of clips from each video, OpusClip works very well. It also integrates things like a virality score to help identify which clips may perform best. The trade-off is that while you get a lot of output fast, you may still want to tweak visuals, captions, or timing if you want high polish. Because the AI is doing a lot of the heavy lifting, the results are excellent for efficiency, but not always perfect for creativity. Now turning to Peech AI. This tool is designed primarily for marketing teams who want to get more mileage out of existing video assets. Upload a video and the platform helps recut it into social clips, branded assets, landing page content, and more. Peech offers a content repurposing workflow. You can edit via transcript, build branded clips, manage a library of assets, and prepare multi-platform versions. The strength here is control and process across many outputs, not just one clip. For example, you might turn a webinar into a full suite of shorts, social posts, and even blog video assets, all from one source. The trade-off is that those extra features can mean more setup and decision-making, and if you just need a quick clip, it may feel heavier than the upload and go model of OpusClip. So how do you pick between them? If your primary need is to rapidly produce many YouTube Shorts from long-form content with minimal manual editing and a fast pipeline, OpusClip is likely the more practical choice. Both tools help you reuse long-form content, increase output, and reach new audiences. The right one comes down to your workflow. Do you prioritize speed and volume, or control and repurposing breadth? Your content team's needs will guide you to the better match.